Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm here at CVS once again to complete my second haul. So hopefully you guys checked out my first haul yesterday. Now I'm trying to do videos every week using those rare CRTs that we get every single week, and we don't do anything with them. So a lot of these deals are not giving back extra bucks. A lot of these deals are repeat deals from yesterday, but I'm doing it on different cards. So yesterday's video, I did 2 different transactions using 2 different cards. Now I did recalculate my beauty in order to complete these 2 transactions. So basically, if you saw yesterday's video, it basically told you what I ended with in beauty and how much I needed. So I had to recalculate all of that and subtract it by $30, and that will lead me to what I need to hit towards beauty for my next haul. So if you have those rare CRTs that you get every single week and you don't use, definitely check out these videos. I'm going to try to bring it to you guys every single week because there are some gems in there that we don't know about. Yes, some of the deals are not giving back extra bucks, but they are some really okay deals, and it's items that we rarely get at CVS. Now, if you have a 10 off of 50, you can apply some of these deals to that using non-threshold CRT. So remember, you cannot combine the 10 off of 50, any purchase, and that's the one that comes at the end of the receipt, with like a 2 off of 6 body wash, a 4 off of 18 shampoo, things like that. It has to be strictly non-threshold CRTs. For instance, let's say you get like a $3 off of Jergens or something like that. So another thing with the 10 off of 50, if you have a 4 off of 18, a 2 off of 6 body wash, as well as like a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, try not to include those in your 10 off of 50. Try to do those deals as is, because remember guys, CVS keeps track of all the CRTs that we do use, and you guys want to continue getting those every single week because the 10 off of 50 is not guaranteed every single week at CVS. And I'm talking about the 10 off of 50, a 6 off of 30, 4 off of 20, coupons like that we get at the end of our receipt. So if you're getting 4 off of 18 shampoos and you want to do a shampoo deal, I say do not include it in your 10 off of 50 unless you didn't get a CRT for shampoo for those deals. So let's go inside. Let's see what CVS got using those rare CRTs, and then I'll come back in the car and show you guys my receipt and show you guys my breakdown of everything written down. So let's go and check out the deals. The first deal is going to be on the Jergens body butter. So you're going to pick up one of them regular price for $8.29. And these are, and only this brand for Jergens is included in the 40% off. So you're going to apply the 40% off. It's going to take off $3.32 at the register because this week they're buy one, get 40% off. So the total works out to $4.97. I had 2 $2 off one Jergens Lotions CRTs. So the total works out to 97 cents after those 2 $2 CRTs. CoverGirl this week is on a promotion for buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So as you guys saw in yesterday's video, I had a different scenario from my other card. This card, I actually received a $3 off CoverGirl CRT and a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT. And we all know we have that $4 instant coupon. So they're buy 2, get 5. You're going to pick up one of the True Blend concealers for $10.99. You're going to pick up one of the Twin Brow Pencils for $5.99. So the total before coupons is going to be $16.98. I use one of the $3 off one face product from our 126 Smart Source, as well as a $3 off one eye product from the same insert. I had that $4 off CoverGirl Instant coupon, and that coupon is printing out for all of us until the 22nd at the Red Box Coupon Center. I had a $3 off CoverGirl CRT, as well as a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT. The total worked out to 98 cents, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck for buying 2 of them. So it works out to free plus a $4.02 moneymaker. All Lysol products this week are buy one, get one free. So you're going to pick up one of the wipes for $4.99, and you're going to pick up another one for free. I had a 50-cent off one coupon from our 2-2 Smart Source, and I believe there's one in our CVS app digital coupons. And I also had a 1 off of 2 Lysol wipes CRT. So the total works out to $3.49 for both of them, or $1.74 each. GSQ hair products are on a promotion this week for buy one, get one 60% off. So I picked up one of the heat protectants for $7.99. And I picked up one of the dry shampoos. That was the one that became 60% off at $3.19. I used two $3 off GSQ hair care CRTs, making the total $5.18 or $2.59 each. Aussie Hair Care this week is on a promotion for buy three, get a $5 extra buck, and they're also buy one, get one 40% off. So you're going to pick up two of them for $3.99 each, making them $7.98. You're going to pick up another one for 40% off at $2.39. So the total before coupons is going to be $10.37. I used a $2 off 2 Aussie app manufacturer coupon, and I also had a 50-cent Aussie app only coupon. So make sure you send those to your account before you go shopping. So the total worked out to $7.87, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $2.87 for all of them, or 95 cents each. So I combined the GSQ deal as well as the Aussie deal together because I have a 4 for 18 hair care CRT. So the total before coupons is going to be $21.55. The total after all coupons is going to be $13.05. I used that 4 over 18 hair care CRT because my total before coupons was $21.55. So I met the threshold of $18 before coupons in order to use that CRT. So the total works out to $9.05, but we're going to get back a $5 extra buck for the Aussie deal. So it works out to $4.05 for all 5 products, or 81 cents each, which is a great price for the GSQ products as well as the Aussie because these are items we rarely get. And what's great about this deal is that $21.55 will count towards beauty. St. Ives Face Scrub is on a promotion this week for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. Now, I'm not going to do the spend 15, get 5. I'm only going to pick up one of the face scrubs for $5.59. I have a $3 off one St. Ives Face Scrub CRT and a $1.50 St. Ives Face Scrub CRT. So after both CRTs, the total works out to $1.09. Revlon this week is on a promotion for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up 2 of the cream shadows for $8.59 each, making them $7.18. You're going to use 2 of the $3 off one for the eye products in our 2.9 Smart Source. You're going to use a $4 off instant coupon that's printing for all of us at the Red Box Coupon Center, and you have until Saturday the 22nd to print that out. I also had a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT, making the total $4.18, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to be free plus an 82-cent moneymaker. Okay, guys, so here goes my first transaction. So remember the Jergens was 40% off, so it's $4.97 after the 40% off. There goes the Lysol wipes, $4.99. One of them were free. And there goes the 2 CoverGirl products. So the Twin Brow Pencils was $5.99 and the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer was $10.99. So the total worked out to $26.94. I used the $3 off for the CoverGirl face product, the $3 off CoverGirl for the eye product, the Lysol coupon for 50 cents off one. Remember, guys, you cannot use a coupon on a free item at CVS, so you can only use one of those 50-cent off coupons. There goes the $4 off CoverGirl Instant coupon that we're all receiving this week, the $3 off CoverGirl CRT, as well as the 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT. I used 2 of those Jergens lotion CRTs and a 1 off of 2 Lysol wipes CRT. So after all the coupons, the total worked out to $5.44. I wrote $5 in extra bucks for this, making it a subtotal of 44 cents. And I got back $5 in extra bucks. So yesterday I needed $6 and something cents on this card to hit beauty. Now I recalculated everything and I needed $19.02 to hit beauty. Because remember, guys, it takes 48 hours for CVS to recalculate your beauty bucks. So $19.02 is what I calculated. I have $21.95 worth of beauty items on here. So the only thing that won't count towards beauty is going to be the Lysol wipes. So I'll get a $3 beauty buck within 48 hours, making this free plus a $3 moneymaker because I used $5 in extra bucks to pay for this. I got $5 in extra bucks back for the CoverGirl deal, and I'll be getting a $3 beauty buck. So free plus a $3 moneymaker. Now for the second transaction, the Aussie products, buy one, get one 40% off. So one of them was $3.99, the other one was $3.99, and the one that was 40% off came out to $2.39. GSQ products are buy one, get one 60% off. So one of them was $7.99. The one that's $3.19 was originally $7.99 as well. So you take the 60% off of $7.99, it becomes $3.19. There goes the St. Ives face scrub for $5.59 and the 2 Revlon cream shadows for $8.59. So the total works out to $44.32. I used 2 of the $3 off coupons for the Revlon eye products, the $2 off Aussie app manufacturer coupon, the $2 off 2. I had a 4 for 18 hair care CRT, a $4 off Revlon instant coupon that's printing out for all of us, a $3 off cosmetics, a $3 off St. Ives face scrub CRT, as well as a $1.50 off St. Ives face scrub CRT. I had 2 $3 GSQ hair care CRTs, used them with no issues, and a 50-cent Aussie app only coupon. So the total worked out to, after coupons, $14.32. I used $14 in extra bucks to pay for this, making the total 32 cents, but you're gonna get back $10 in extra bucks. So you get back $5 for the Aussie hair care deal and $5 for the Revlon cream shadows. So I needed $9.30 to hit beauty. Again, I recalculated everything. I have $44.32 worth of beauty items. So everything in this transaction counted towards beauty. So I will get back a $6 beauty buck, making it free plus a $2 moneymaker. So I rolled $14 in the extra bucks into this, got back 10 and getting back 6 beauty bucks. So it makes it free plus a $2 moneymaker. Okay guys, so I'm back from CVS and everything worked out super well. All CRTs went through with no issues. I'm going to show you guys both my receipts. Remember, I did 2 different transactions, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the notes that I put down for you guys, basically breaking down everything as to how it worked out. Now I'm just going to show you guys my receipts. So let's go to the first transaction now. Okay guys, so here goes my first transaction. There goes the Jergens $8.29, and the 40% off took off $3.32. Lysol wipes, buy one, get one free. One was $4.99. One of them was free. And there goes the 2 CoverGirl products. The concealer was $10.99, and the twin brow pencils was $5.99. So I used 2 $3 off coupons, one for the CoverGirl face products and one for the CoverGirl eye products. I used a 50-cent manufacturer coupon for the Lysol, and here goes all the CRTs. So I had that $4 off CoverGirl CRT that we're all receiving this week. So you have until the 22nd to print that out. There goes my 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT, my $3 off CoverGirl CRT, both $2 off Jergens lotion CRT, so they went through with no issues. The 1 off of 2 Lysol disinfecting wipes CRT, and I use a $5 extra buck to pay for this. My subtotal was 44 cents. I had a tax of $1.61, making it $2.05. And I got back the $5 in extra bucks for the CoverGirl deal. So basically I put in 5 and got 5 back. Now I'm going to show you guys my second receipt. Here it goes. There goes the Aussie products. Buy one, get one 40% off. 2 of them were $3.99. The third one, it took off $1.60. The GSQ products, $7.99. One of them was 60% off because they're buy one, get one 60% off. So it took off $4.80 for that product. St. Ives face scrub, $5.59. And there goes the 2 Revlon cream shadows for $8.59. So manufacturer's coupons, I had the 2 $3 off coupons for the Revlon and that $2 off 2 Aussie coupon from our digital coupons. There goes the 4 off of 18 hair care CRT. The $4 off Revlon CRT, and we're all receiving that this week, so you have until the 22nd to print that out. The 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT. The $3 off Simple and St. Ives face scrub CRT. There goes the 2 $3 off for the GSQ hair care. The $1.50 off for the St. Ives facial care. 50 cents off for the Aussie, and that's going to be an app only coupon. And I rolled $14 in extra bucks to pay for this. 32 cents out of pocket plus a tax of $1.32. And I got back the $5 extra bucks for the Revlon cosmetics because it's spend 15 get 5. And I got back the $5 and extra bucks for the Aussie deal. So yeah, guys, hopefully this was helpful for you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.